Hello, I am Lincoln, and for my school project today, I am going to tell you about the city that I live in. And the city that I live in is called Kaysville. Something cool that the city gave me is that we have our own day. On May 31st, 2017 is officially What's Inside Day.
So I would also like to present Lincoln and Dan with their own key to the city.
Yes. The mayor said that if you get pulled over, maybe this key will get you out of trouble. So we haven't tested that yet, but it's cool. For my project today, I'm going to show you my house, my city, and a few places that I love to go. So let's go. This is the police station.
No, get out of the road, get out of the road.
This is our awesome movie theater. This is the Parks and Recreation Center. Shh, this is the Kaysville Library. This is our new Welcome to Kaysville sign. There's a Kaysville police officer right next to us. Look. Kaysville City has huge mountains. Oh my, that's loud. Trains went right through my city. They're really loud. We have lots of parks, including Pond Park. Woohoo! Just right behind me is the famous Great Salt Lake. It's so cool! There's lots of cows in Kaysville! This is my house in Kaysville! I had an opportunity to meet with the former mayor, Steve Hyatt, and one of the questions that I asked him was how many people live in Kaysville, and his answer was that there are 32,000 residents and the city is still growing. It will always be growing, not still. In 1850, three friends came to this area and decided to call it Kays Ward. So Kays Ward was set up by Brigham Young. Another question that I asked Mayor Hyatt was, what is the major economic driving force? Kaysville is mostly a bedroom community. People live here, but they don't usually work here. I mean, there's a couple of restaurants like McDonald's and places like that, but most people that live in Kaysville go to a different city to work. One challenge that our local government faces is the lack of revenue. Because we don't have as many businesses, they don't get as many business taxes. So most of their money comes off of property taxes. Homeowners usually don't like it when they raise their property taxes because they're just paying more money. But really it would help the government and maybe even pave some of their roads that aren't the best. One thing that anyone should know if you visit any city, not just Kaysville, is you need to know where the 3 best places to go for ice cream. So I'm gonna show you where those are. The restaurant that has the best ice cream in all of Kaysville is here at Dylan's. What I like to get here is Butterfinger ice cream with, wait a second, Butterfinger in the ice cream, and then it's chocolate. I just mixed up my words there, see what yeah. But it's really good. Success. Yummy. This is a place called Yogo Togo, and it is my #2 favorite in Kaysville. Maybe not today, it's not looking the best. It's gone. That was good. So let's go to the next place. So in third place, it's Arctic Circle with Oreo and vanilla ice cream. So now you're gonna watch a wonderful time lapse of me eating ice cream. This is too much ice cream. Can you finish it off?
Alright, got it.
Kids never eat too much ice cream. So I am Lincoln, and I hope you learned something about Kaysville, and maybe you'll come and visit someday.